how you can download and create Yubo account on your mobile phone. Now, Yubo is a really cool social media app. You can connect to many different types of people here. So let's just get started. First, if you don't have Yubo, go to your app store and then search for Yubo. After you do so, just download it and open them. Now, as you can see, this is the first initial page in Yubo. Now, if you are on Android, this will say continue with Google instead of continue with Apple. So to create an account, you cannot just log in, you need to create it with your Apple account or your Google account. So just tap on that. And after the verification is done, this will open up right here. It says if you want to create a new account or just log in. So we are going to create a new account. And now here you need to type a nickname. After you do so, just tap on next. Now just write in your birthday. And tap on next. Choose your gender. And then choose a username that might not be used by someone else. So make sure that it's a unique name. So I'm just gonna type something random right here. Okay. And tap on next. Now here you will need to choose a photo. So just choose a photo from your gallery. I'm choosing a really random photo right here, guys. You can just upload some of your most good pics right there. So now you can choose what kind of friends you want to make. So if you want to make any kind of friends, you can just tap on any gender. If you want to make male friends only, tap on male friends only. Or if you want to make female friends only, tap on female friends only. After that, just do next. Now here you are able to just find your hobbies and tag it so that other people will get to see them. So if you have any hobbies, just select them. I'm just selecting random things right here, guys, and then tap on next. Now it's gonna ask you to allow it to track your activities on apps. So right here you need to verify your age. Just put your photo right in that center, and after you have verified by your age, your account will get created. Now as you can see, it goes like this. If you swipe left, you are asking them to be friend, and if you're swiping them right, you are just not accepting them to be friends. So that is all. This is my profile right here, guys. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.